up, you guys? It's your girl Latina, aka Lola. Now, for today's video, if you read my title, I'm unboxing New Jeans' new album. Yes, I am unboxing New Jeans' a new album. You heard it here, so stay tuned if you want to watch it. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join the Funny Bunny family, because I know if you're watching and you're not even subscribed to me. Half of you guys are not even subscribed to me, so come on, subscribe and join the Funny Bunny family, because you're my bunnies and I'm your funny bunny. And also follow me on my both Instagrams. Let's get to this unboxing. Here is the first one that I got. I'm actually amazed. Look at these people. And actually the guy who draws a Powerpuff Girls actually did this. So I'm just so like, so this is here's this one. I know like all of these bags are different stuff from each bag, so I don't know what this one is. So you know, say I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this one. ¡Ay, qué bonito! This is perfect, like, to go to see the Barbie movie, because it's pink. But it won't fit you nothing. Mira qué hermoso este cartero. Look how beautiful it is. You got the little conejitos up here. Like, no way. Like, no way. No way. This is the bag. It's super cute. Let's take out the box and don't drop it. Well, it's so cute. So, I guess right here it'll fit you your phone, a car holder, and just the key that's attached to your wallet. It's really hard. It is so cute with the conejitos. This is actually perfect to go to see the Barbie movie, because actually it's pink. Like, look how cute this is, you guys. I didn't get the first bag from their first album, but look how hermoso es este. Está hermoso. Like, it's gorgeous. Get into the good stuff right now. So the good stuff is the box. This is the most scary thing. I'm sorry if you guys could hear the fan. I have the fan on because it's quite hot right now in my room. Híjole. Okay. The other. Oh my god, this is a lot of stuff. For the amount of money that you pay for, K-pop albums are like, I'm just gonna say it, they're top notch. I love them. I love them. We have one thing that says 10 things New Jeans love about the summer. Oh, so I guess this one is just New Jeans, like the whole crew. So I think so. Okay, got that. ¿Qué es esto? How to spend a perfect verano, a perfect summer. Okay. Must-haves for summer. New Jeans. Oh, I want to see the CD. Like, I want to see how the CD looks like. That is freaking dicky cute. Oh my god. Lyric books. If I could only read Korean. Look at this. This is so cute. Look how cute they are. My voice just literally changed. My voice changes how excited I get. So I guess these are like postcards or something from them. It's actually really pretty. This is where I want to go every summer. La playa, but I don't. This is pretty. That's gorgeous. Sky. go through the photo cards because that's the most exciting thing about it. Okay. New jeans, love bunnies. Ah, que bonito. Keep me in your pocket. Well, if I keep you in my pocket, it's gonna get all crunched up. Look how beautiful they look. Oh my god. This is the one I like. She's my bias. It's stickers! Oh my god, these are stickers. They're cute. So holographic. To be honest, I've never used any stickers that come with K-pop albums, like ever. Like I never use them, so I kind of want to use them, but I kind of like don't know where to put them. That's cute. Let's get into the books because I want to see. So we have the lyric books right here. I really like how the lyric books look. It's actually really nice. Like the lyric book, it's so colorful, and summer is all about color. So in the back it says new jeans, super shy, ETA, cool, get up. So this is really nice. Now we have must have for summers, new jeans. This one's adorable. Look at that, you guys. You have all of them right here. Like, isn't that's gorgeous. They look so good, you guys. Like, honestly, they look amazing. Like, so this one's my bias right here. Oh my god, they look so amazing. Yeah, this is my bias right here. Comment down below if you know her name, because I can't pronounce her name. So you got them right there. Look how cute they look, you guys. Like, oh, she has the blue bag. Oh my god, I like how she has it. Wow, this bag is actually, this album, this book is, I'm speechless, you guys. It's like so good. Like, look how beautiful it is. Oh my god, the boots. I'm leaving for the boots. Wow. I wonder what this says. It's so pretty. And it just continues and continues with them. Summer, so I don't know. How do you spend? It has steps. Step number 1. Perfect recipe. Smoothie, a special smoothie bowl. A summer playlist for the second. Step 3. Drive in the ocean and wash the memories away. I like that one. I like that one. Step 4. Find a new and fun summer hobby. Number 5, take a vacation somewhere where you've never been. That's money, but okay. Step 6, just chill out. Just chill out on the sand with your besties by your side. Oh, my bestie doesn't like the beach. It's okay. He passes. It's just super cute, like everything they're saying. Like, water fight. Let me show you this better. For this one, it says step 1, water fight is a must. Water balloons, water guns, plus hose and everything. What's the second one? Step 2, explore nature plus soak in the sun. Oh, I like that one. I love it. Okay. How amazing is this, you guys? Okay, step 3, let all the summer breeze fill up the house room. Oh, I can't. The house, it's getting hot in LA. Step 4, outdoors barbecue with friends and family. Aww. Park or house, all perfect. I love all the summer activities. Step 5, drive through cinema. Can't miss out on a sitting in the. Oh, you guys, I cannot. Like, this is so cute. Oh my god, I really need to read this. Like, I'm giving you. There's so much. There's so much other things. Like, oh my god, new jeans. Like, wow. Can y'all be my bestie? Can y'all be my, for real? 10 things new jeans love about summer. So this one's just about what they love about summer. Oh my god, but look how amazingly gorgeous they look like. Sorry if it's blurry. They look like. This one. This one's so amazing, you guys. They're gorgeous. Like, no matter what, they're. Can I be your bestie? That's it for this one. Let's get into the other one. Okay, oh, I'm so excited to open this one. I'm so excited. Okay. That is so cute, you guys. And you get another one. Oh my god, those conejitos are so cute. That's like one of my favorite animals. This is where the album is. This is cute. This is cute. Let's see, these photo cards. Are they the same as the other ones? No. Oh my god. Oh, her name is Hyein. She's my favorite one. She's my best. They all look so amazing. Must-haves for summer new jeans. I feel like all of these are kind of like different pictures. I'm gonna show it to you right now. This is this one. Must-haves. What's this one? 10 things new jeans love about the summer. So this one's like the other one, but it has different pictures. So I'm gonna show you this one right after. Which one's this one? How to have a perfect summer. This one's kind of like the other one. So this one's like the same one as the other one. Not bad. The lyric books. Okay. Oh my god, but this one you get this. Hold up. Look how cute they look. They look so cute. But in the, so this is the back. Wow. How cute is that, you guys? Like, that is really, really pretty. Okay, let's see the stickers now. Get the holographic one. It's so holographic. Oh my god. Oh my god. So they're not the same. So you get 2 different ones. Look at the bunnies. And then look at these. Oh my god, they look so adorable. They're gonna really make me want to use these, and I don't even know. Then we have, oh, these are different. Okay, so these are different postcards. We got the bridge. This is pretty. Sunset at the beach. Wow. They're all amazing, to be honest. So this is this book right here. It's the same thing as the other one. This one's like the same one as the other one. And then we have this one, 10 things. Wow. Oh, look, it's so beautiful. Wow. Wow. I'm just, oh my god, just look at them drawn as the Powerpuff Girls. Who wouldn't want to be like drawn as the Powerpuff Girls? Like, this is gorgeous, you guys. The last book. Oh shit, it's the one I have. I just love the way they dress. They dress so nice. I love how the booklets are different. And wow, just wow. That's all the albums. That's everything that came with it. Comment down below if you got their albums. Comment down below what color of purse did you get. Which one did you get? Did you like it? Do you like how it looks? I am gonna get a picture frame so I could frame this thing and put it up because that looks really good. But that has been it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs like if you like this video, and if you want to see more unboxing of K-pop albums, comment down below because I like doing them. But I just love doing videos like that. But yeah, that has been it. That has been me. Follow me down and all my links down below. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram. I don't know what's, yeah, you get all the stuff. It'll be down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.